So recently, I've noticed that a lot of you want to get started with content creation, but you don't know exactly which niche you want to pick, which topic you want to focus on, or what form of content you want to create in general. Well, in this video, I'm going to share with you 5 best niches that you can actually get into. These are not just random niches, but these are 5 easy to do niche for any sort of content creator at all. Whether you are camera shy, it doesn't matter the form of content you want to create. These 5 niches are where you should actually go to if you really want to grow faster in the YouTube system. So with that already said, and without taking much of your time, kindly help me do the YouTube business if this is your first time on this channel. And we all know the business is simply smashing on that subscribe button. So with that already said, and without taking much of your time, let's get straight. Let me share with you these top 5 most profitable YouTube channel niches that you should get into that are very easy to grow even as a beginner. Now, the first one on my list is simply the faceless football niche. Now, football niche is one of the easiest out there to actually grow when it comes over to the social media system, because almost like who is not interested in football? Take a look at how football videos are getting views, more especially when you talk about some certain stars. Now, the football niche often comes with a lot of copyright problem that a lot of you keep complaining that you're getting copyright through the videos and you're posting. And the truth is that the football industry is really, it has a high copyright level for every single material you want to use. That's why I've created a video that will be tagged under here. It can be popping on your screen right now. That particular video will take you through a step-by-step guide on how you can actually start a faceless football niche and then start making money using AI voiceover. So you are going to use real football videos alongside AIs to actually help you get videos that are not going to be copyrighted, and you'll be able to post these videos in YouTube system and then get them monetized. And I've done so many videos about football already, but this particular one is the one you should go to in relation to this particular video. That video will teach you every single thing you need to know to start that sort of football channel that is not going to get you copyrighted anytime, any day. Now, that is the first one on our niche. And when it comes to the profitability of this niche is highly profitable because you are going to get a lot of views, and a lot of views will automatically equal to ad revenue as well. So you get more views, more ad revenue, and probably along the line, if you get a lot of subscribers, you then also get sponsorship deals from people who want to promote things related to your niche as well. Now, that is the first one on my list here, which is simply the faceless football niche. Now, the second one on our list is simply the celebrity talk. Now, celebrity talk is one of the most popular niches when it comes to Africa. Like, when it comes to not just Africa per se, when it comes to growing on YouTube in general, the celebrity talk makes more wave. If you look at their channels, like I personally know someone with who owns the channel Word in Town. She personally started the channel, and earlier this year she was just about 900 subscribers. Before we actually met. And as of today that I'm recording this video to you, we actually met within April, and we are currently in October, and she has over 12,000 subscribers already, if I'm not mistaken. The channel name is Word in Town. You can go check it. Those sort of celebrity talks channel, or the ones that I've been sharing with you guys on this channel, they are basically the same kind of channels. So this sort of channel, what you simply do is that you look for whatever celebrity that is trending, you try to find out why this celebrity is trending, and then you create a talk video over it. Like, for example, Davido versus Wizkid beef. If you have an idea about it, you make a video about it, or you simply look for anything that is trending in the celebrity industry, and then you create a video on it, or whatever news that is trending out there about celebrities. This could be footballers, movie actors, actresses, and then like any sort of celebrity feed that, or you simply look for what is trending, who is trending, get to know more information about this book, and then you create a video about them. Now, there are several channels out there that I can use as an example, and I've made several videos on how you can actually make money with this sort of content as well, and I'll do my best to list as much as possible in this video description. Now, for you to be able to access all of these videos that I'll be recommending, I'll advise you watch the video that you check the article that I'll be tagging in this video description as well. That link will actually take you to my website, where I've listed each example to each of these examples that I'm giving to you here, so you can go check that particular article out. So that aside, now the second one on our list is simply the celebrity talk channel, and this sort of niche can be monetized through ad revenue, sponsorship deals, and any other form of way, because it's one of the most versatile niche out there that talks literally about every single thing. Now, the third one on our list is simply the storytelling niche. Now, storytelling might not really hit the system that hard, but recently we all can see how African folk tales have been hitting up, or any other story related niches are hitting up. And this is a great opportunity for you, a content creator who is planning to get started, to also get into these ones as well. And the beautiful thing is that you don't have to be a story writer to be able to make money from this niche. What you simply do is that what you tell AI the kind of story that you have in mind, or whatever story. You can even legally steal stories from YouTube here that people have already created, take the title, give it to these AIs, and AIs are also going to give you a different script altogether, and they use it to create these videos. Now, I know you've been wondering, how can I create these videos when I'm not good at storytelling, or I'm not an animator and you don't want me to show my face on camera? Now, the process is really simple. I've made a full video on this as well. Like every single niche I'm giving to you guys here, I've made a full video on all of them, on how you can start them and everything already. So whenever I mention your niche, you look through all the 5 niches that I've mentioned, you think which of them is your favorite, you go check my website where I'll be tagging all the links down to each of the videos that I'm currently recommending here. You check those videos out and then get to see how you can actually navigate your niche. Now, African folktales channels are really growing really hard. I've seen some channels that started barely 3, 4, 5 months. Before you look, they already have tens of thousands of subscribers, making a lot of money off the YouTube algorithm and so forth and so on. So this is an opportunity for you to also get started as well. Now, when it comes to this niche, you don't have to be an expert to actually do anything. AIs literally help you create the characters you need. AIs are going to generate a video script for you. AIs are going to generate the voiceover you need. You don't have to even talk over a microphone like I'm doing right now. And so I've also created a step-by-step guide on how you can also navigate that niche as well. So you can also go check those videos out. I'll be tagging all of them so you don't have to worry yourself trying to search for those particular videos. I've made an article that will consist of all of those videos. Now, moving on to the niche number 4 on our list is simply, this not a specific niche in general, but these reaction videos in general. Now, what I mean by reaction videos is simply, you look for any form of video that is trending on the internet. Now, for example, let me say this particular video is trending about anything trending like on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, or whatever social media platform where you see this particular trending video. What you simply do is that you save this video and then you tend to react to it. Now, when it comes to reaction, there are so many ways in which you can react to videos. One, you can just be talking over it. Maybe you download a video and then, but this one you have to show your face on camera. Sorry, because that's why it's called a reaction video. You have to react to the action the person is doing, or if the person is giving some advice, you try to just emphasize on the advice or throw more light on the advice or give your own opposing opinion or whatever thing. You simply have to just create a reaction version of it and then repost it on whatever social media platform of your choice, and then you get to make money from it as well. Now, when it comes to starting these reaction videos, I've created so many videos on how you can do it both on Android, iOS, or even on your laptop as well. So you can also go check all those videos. I'll be tagging each video to each session, so you don't have to stress yourself. The reason I'm repeating this one is that some of you might think I'm not going to tag for some sessions. Just want to let you know that each session I've mentioned here, each niche I've mentioned here, actually had a video that will show you how you can actually get started with it. So now that's simply it about the 4th niche idea on my list, simply the reaction video niche. Now, all those aside, coming up to the final one, which is simply teaching your own skills. Now, when it comes to teaching your own skills, it's basically what I'm doing right here now. Now, what is this channel about? On this channel, I simply focus on content creation. Why am I teaching content creation? Because I'm a content creator myself. I do video editing services for others, like I edit video for others. I do graphic designing service for others. So I throw some light into video thumbnail design or any other design that will help you grow as content creator. And then I also share with you my day-to-day activity or how I come up with my content ideas, how I record my videos, how I do my setup, and all of that, and different sort of content ideas that you should also get yourself involved in. Now, this is simply me teaching my skills to you whilst making money in return. And apart from this, there are so many ways you make money from these niches. Now, the truth is that if you are in some niches whereby you have to teach your skills, like this niche that I am right now, to grow is not really that easy. I'll be honest with you. Growing this sort of niche is the most difficult thing out there. But one thing stands out is that you don't have to get millions of subscribers to start making decent amount of money from this niche, because it has high level of interest and has a lot of monetization options. Like on this channel right now, I make money through ad revenue. I make money through offering mentorship. Mentorship is simply teaching people who wants to know more. Like if you want to learn a one-on-one session with me, I actually host a one-on-one session over Google Meet or WhatsApp video call where I put you through every single thing you need to get started. If you want to know the prices, you can check my website. The courses page out there, you see the prices, everything listed out there, depending on which of them you want to learn. Now, pushing that aside, like there's so much that you can actually learn when it comes to content creation, and then various ways in which you can actually make money through content creation. Like on this my niche right now, if I even want to add more ways to make money, I can start recommending the products I use, because I see a lot of you asking me which camera am I using, which laptop am I using to do this, the microphone and all of that. These are more ways in which you can actually make money from this sort of tutorial niches, because like honestly speaking, tutorial niches offers you the best ways to make money, because if you have a particular skill you are teaching, you can market your services. Like I use here to market my social media management service and all of that, and different things that I actually do. And this is something you can also implement as well. Now, with this already said, hope you find this video helpful. Now, these are some of the best niches you should also get yourself in. As I already said earlier, I'm not here to tell you niches that are already existing in the system. I'm here to tell you a style of content that you can actually get yourself involved in and see yourself blow up in no time, whether you're a beginner or not. So this already said, hope you find this video helpful. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like this video, and also tell me what you feel down in the comment section. So have a lovely day. Bye.